Today's severe weather threat has escalated into something much more serious. The Storm Prediction Center has issued a moderate risk for parts of northern and central Illinois into northwest Indiana, and this is the area where the atmosphere may become capable of producing multiple strong to intense tornadoes. This is not just a hail day, it is not just a wind day, and it is definitely not a routine spring setup. All severe hazards are on the table today and tonight, including very large hail, damaging winds, and the potential for multiple strong tornadoes. Across the Midwest, warm and unstable air is surging northward, while moisture continues to deepen. At the same time, wind shear is strengthening through the afternoon and evening. That combination is expected to support scattered supercells, especially near and just south of a frontal boundary across Illinois. Some of these storms could produce hail larger than 2 inches in diameter. Others may evolve into dangerous tornadic supercells capable of intense low-level rotation. If the environment comes together the way forecasters expect, parts of Illinois into northwest Indiana could see a corridor favorable for EF2 to EF3 or stronger tornadoes. That is why this setup is drawing so much attention. But the Midwest is not the only place under threat today. Farther south, another dangerous setup is unfolding from west and central Texas into southwest Oklahoma. Storms are expected to develop along the dry line by mid to late afternoon. Early on, these storms may remain more isolated, which raises the risk for discrete supercells capable of producing very large hail, possibly 2 to 3 inches, or even larger in some spots. As the evening goes on, those storms may begin to organize into more linear structures, which would increase the threat for damaging winds spreading into central Texas and southern Oklahoma. Even as that transition happens, a tornado threat could still continue, especially where deeper low-level moisture is in place. There is also a more uncertain but still important concern farther east into central and northeast Texas, where isolated storms may develop in a favorable environment for large hail and a few tornadoes. So the overall message for today is clear. From the southern plains to the southern Great Lakes, scattered to numerous severe thunderstorms are expected, and the atmosphere is capable of producing multiple strong tornadoes, very large hail, and destructive winds. Then by tomorrow, the threat shifts eastward. The Storm Prediction Center is highlighting a slight risk from the ArkLaTex and lower Mississippi Valley northeast through the Ohio Valley and into parts of the mid-Atlantic. This next phase of the setup,